A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when fear of the unknown loses its grip. Ladies and gentlemen, human life begins not in isolation but in connection. Every breath, thought and impulse emerges from a vast cosmic order where intelligence precedes form. Human creation is not accidental. It is patterned, purposeful and deeply aligned with universal laws. Fear of the unknown arises not because life is hostile, but because clarity temporarily fades. When clarity returns, fear naturally loosens its hold. The human brain is one of the most refined structures known to existence. It is not merely a survival instrument, it is a meaning-making system designed to perceive patterns, connect information and anticipate possibilities. The brain constantly transforms fragments of experience into inner pictures. These pictures guide responses, decisions and emotions. At its core, the brain operates through coherence. Thoughts, memories, imagination, foresight and desire keep cognition alive and dynamic. Vulnerabilities and uncertainties are not flaws in life. They are variables within a living system. As life evolves, circumstances shift and the brain gathers dots of information which are energy pixels from experience, learning, observation and inner awareness. When these dots are few or distorted, the inner picture lacks resolution. Uncertainty expands, imagination fills gaps, and anxiety emerges. When the dots are abundant, energized, and aligned, clarity sharpens. The picture becomes stable. Confidence arises. Fear of the unknown begins to dissolve, not through denial, but through understanding. The quality of these energy dots depends on 5 integrated human energy dynamos: physical vitality, mental clarity, emotional balance, spiritual anchoring, and aspirational direction. When these energies flow in harmony, imagination matures into visualization, and visualization into foresight. The brain becomes capable of distinguishing real threats from imagined ones and choosing response over reaction. Ancient wisdom recognized this long before modern neuroscience. The principle of karma, when rooted in righteousness, establishes alignment with cosmic intelligence. Actions guided by duty, that is dharma, create inner coherence. In such alignment, anxiety softens, trust strengthens, fear no longer dominates the inner landscape. Prayer and reflection act as resonance mechanisms. They stabilize intention, deepen awareness, and allow human consciousness to synchronize with a greater intelligence. In this communion, energy is renewed, perspective widens, and inner clarity improves. The brain receives better inputs. The inner picture becomes realistic rather than fearful. Step by step, as clarity improves, the next step reveals itself. The unknown no longer appears as a threat, but as an unfolding path. What's the way forward? Strengthening the five energy dynamos through conscious living, righteous action, purposeful thought, and inner alignment allows fear to transform naturally into trust. When intention is pure and action sincere, life responds with guidance. Coherence replaces chaos. Awareness rises. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when the inner picture is clear, fear loses its authority. Trust takes its place. This is a cosmic truth that goodness generates goodness, clarity invites protection, and faith steadies the journey. As alignment deepens, an inner sun begins to glow, quiet, steady, and self-revealing. Its light does not remove uncertainty. It illuminates the path just enough for the next step to appear. In that light, imagination stabilizes, anxiety softens, and confidence becomes natural. The unknown no longer feels threatening, only unfolding. As Lord Krishna affirms in the revered Bhagavad Gita, perform your duty with steadfastness, surrendering the results to the higher order. Such equanimity is true wisdom. When trust anchors action and the inner sun shines unobstructed, fear of the unknown gently releases its grip and life moves forward, guided one luminous step at a time. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.